Hey people out there, for y'all, if y'all want to see people, like people that been in war, like army, military, um, so here's how to hold, like, the gun that they use, hold it how they, like, doing this, and how to walk like them, and here's the basics. I'm gonna show you my feet. You're gonna go like this. Then do that. Then that. Then you can go all the way around like that. Like that. And like that. There you go. Then how to walk like them. Like this. I'll put it right here. Just like this. Like this. You go like this. Like this. You go like this. Then you go on like that. Then if you have a toy rifle, here we go. You do this, but see the trigger? You put this trigger right here. Then you go quickly swipe it around and do that like this. And basically, you can go to tutorials online and learn how to do this stuff. And if you want to be in the military, go ahead. You can learn. And one thing I know, and when they say attend hut, when you're like this, and they say attend hut, you do this. Attend hut. You go like that. So here you go to all people out there that want to be, if you want to be in the military, go ahead, try this, and click on this video. Go ahead.